So good afternoon and good morning, Udita, because you are joining us not from Sydney, where I am, but Sri Lanka. So thanks for taking some time today. We'd love to hear from you about Blue Chip Technologies and your product Callerwise. I think it's always best coming from the founder to tell us what it is that you do.
Hello, good morning, Kathy. So our company is Blue Chip Technologies Asia, and our product is called Callerwise, which is a AI analytical platform that we are targeting for call centers in different verticals. So insurance industry, financial sector, different verticals, and also now we are trying with other integrators with the cloud providers of call centers to integrate our solution. So to provide a really good kind of decision making in terms of the calls.
And I've just recently learned that you are already a Microsoft MVP. So you come with a lot of expertise already in the Microsoft products. Being in the Highway to 100 Unicorns program, you might have a much better idea than some of the other startups who are coming in brand new about what you might be able to get out of this program. What sort of business aspirations do you have to achieve in the year that you're with us?
Yeah, so we are looking to expand into other markets, other international markets, and also get the support from mentoring network. That's a strong mentoring network that Microsoft have, and also looking to get more insight with the product engineering team that giving support for our product.
Got it. Is that, my next question is about the challenges that you face. Are those some of the challenges that you're going to hope to overcome, or are there other challenges as well on the horizon for you and Callerwise?
Yeah, some of the challenges is like scaling more internationally and into different verticals, different sectors. So because each sector, each industry is different from one another, there are unique things within each industry, and also the platforms that we are integrating is different from one another. So we need to find optimal way to scale it into multiple platforms and into multiple industries. So that is really enable us to go into much more scale kind of application. So we are any kind of industry, any kind of operator can easily plug in our software and use it.
That's the magic moment, isn't it? Anyone can use it at any time.
Yeah.
And if this does go gangbusters and the program works and you do go worldwide, what do you think that this will mean for the economic impact on Sri Lanka?
Yeah, it will be a huge impact for us also, like because we can hire more people and get more staff, and we can grow our team because we looking to like grow our team even more. And there's a huge R&D component in that. There's a lot of research and development can be done in this scope. That is not happening. It's done in some companies, some products, but we're looking to more innovate, add more things into this. So there's a lot of R&D involved in this. So it will be helpful to grow research and development and grow more staff in the organization.
And as we're talking about growth, can you talk a little bit more about what the next big growth opportunity for Blue Chip Technologies and Callerwise is?
Yeah, so at the moment we are in the APAC, so we are looking to go into the European market, UK markets mostly, where AI is really used in a lot of industries and a lot of sectors. So our next main target is going to European markets, especially the UK markets, and using our products for those customers and getting benefits and getting more supports in that market. Yeah.
And as you grow and scale up and get ready to get big, what are some of the key criteria that you have when you're making technology decisions?
Yeah, so one of the key criteria is the innovation. So whether how to innovate further to market needs, because every time the market shift and there are new markets needs come in, a lot of shift change we can see already happening. So because of that, there are a lot of innovation that's happening. So we try to innovate and listen to the market's needs and try to like innovate our product further and add new features that coming along the way for these market needs.
You are so sure about all this stuff. It's amazing. There's an answer to every question and super quick. You've thought of everything, and that's an amazing way to be organized. Which can be shot to pieces by things sometimes. I know that you are only really launched in 2021. But in that time, has COVID hasn't had an effect on your business and shot it to pieces or blasted it into, put a rocket under it?
Yeah, so I would say COVID always impacted us in a much more good way than a bad way. So where we got to network with more like-minded people, we get more support, and we try to scale our business also during the COVID. So this is one of the IT sector is one of the growing sector during the COVID. So we got the really advancement because of that. So we enabled to grow our company much more further and also scale our company and also get more support and network easily during the COVID time.
Um, so I mentioned at the very start that it's a very rare thing for us to have in our program somebody who already knows the ropes of the inner workings of Microsoft, which is an MVP. I think that you would have a lot more exposure to. How does it feel to be sort of having a foot in both camps? Has it become easier, or have you sort of seen that the Microsoft is a bigger machine, or you're found that you're much more fluent than you thought?
Yeah, so big MEP, and even before that, I was coming from a Microsoft Student Partner Program, so it was a student ambassador earlier that time. Then become MEP. Then past couple of years in different verticals. So MEP is mostly for the professionals, like how you can get engaged with the community and share your knowledge and do a lot of great work. So where I got exposure in really great, amazing experience in the APAC region. So that's enable us that past decade of experience actually helped me to start the startup and go to that journey. So that's actually helped me a lot also in a lot of different ways because I'm already familiar with a lot of those things that comes from the Microsoft ecosystem and being MVP, how to talk to people and learn a lot of interactions that we had in through the APAC region. So it's really amazing experience, and I try to increase this further with the startup journey as well.
It's the pleasure is all ours, because what we gain from that is that you are able to have eyes on how it works and how it's used all at once, and help us to sort of grow the product, because this is the whole point of the Microsoft for Startups Highway to 100 Unicorns program, is to really get exposure to tier 2 cities and people everywhere in them. Um, Thank you so much for joining us today. I feel like asking if there's anything else that you'd like to add that I haven't asked, if there's any pointers about Callerwise that you'd like to go out with that you'd like the audience to know.
So yes, we like to partner with more partnerships with like-minded companies and partners to grow our company. So anyone interested can join and support us with our initiative. And we are looking to international expansions, creating a global tech company based on the technical product. So we are looking to those kind of support, and the partnerships go along the way in our journey, because it's a long journey and a lot of partnerships helps to support that chain.
Absolutely. I'm a fully fledged believer in the school of thought that collaboration gets so much more done than competition. Collaboration with your competition can there's a really sweet spot there,
Mm.
and if you can find it, I think it's a magic place. So thank you so much for joining us today, Deetha. It's been a whirlwind conversation of some serious facts. I can see why you're an MVP and why people might dip into your knowledge resources. We will check in again in a couple of months, and it's a pleasure to have you on board in the program.
Thank you so much to having me of this interview session, and it's really amazing journey so far, and looking forward to do even more amazing things in coming months and years.
Thank you. The best of luck.
Thank you so
Bye,
much. Thank you.
Deetha.
Bye. Bye.